takers of story. The moment rise, the moment chase our shoes move fast. That's why shoot the shoes are built for every kind of journey. Jogging, walking, and commuting. Weight is lightweight, cushioning for comfort that lasts all day. Durable, non-slip sole for any surface and the beatable design that lets your feet breathe, no matter how hard you go. Whether you're pushing past your limits, looking into new opportunities, or simply enjoying time with friends, these shoes are made to keep your confidence in every state. Stylish, comfortable, reliable, more than just footwear. And the shoes is your partner in every journey, every milestone, every single step of your life. Step forward, hold the reins in your hands. Run down, go, hold each out. So wherever life takes you, walk with strength, walk with comfort, walk your story.